Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your smart TV model and OS so you pick a compatible VPN method. Sign up for a VPN that supports Android TV, Fire TV, or manual router setup, and note your username and password. Next, decide whether you'll install an app on the TV, sideload, or configure your router. Each changes the steps that follow. Once done, connect the TV to the same network the router uses, and keep your router admin login handy for the next step. You now install or configure the VPN. If your TV store has the app, download and log in. If not, sideload the APK using USB or ADB, making sure to allow unknown sources. For a router install, log into the router, add the VPN client configuration from the provider, set correct DNS, and save. Make sure split tunneling or a kill switch is enabled if you need local access while protecting streaming apps. Once configured, reboot the router and the TV to apply changes. You finish by verifying the VPN is active and routing traffic. Open a browser or GeoCheck app on the TV to confirm the displayed IP and country match the VPN server. Test streaming services and try different server locations for lower latency or unblocking content. If playback is slow, switch protocols or pick a closer server. If something goes wrong, restart TV and router, double-check login and config files, and re-import provider settings. That single troubleshooting step usually fixes most connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.